आपने नो होल्ड्स बार का जिक्र किया, आप सबसे पहले तो मेरे दर्शकों को वो प्रसंग बता दीजिए जिसमें वो किस तरह की सो कॉल्ड पैट्रियार्की से, मिसोजिनी से, मैस्कुलिनिटी से डील करते हैं, और उस क्रम में वो एक साइंटिस्ट का एग्जांपल देती हैं. प्रोफेसर, आई वांट यू टू नरेट दैट इंसिडेंट फॉर माय हिंदी व्यूअर्स.
Harsh, do you want to do it? You have it in front of you. I don't have a copy of the book. Harsh बता देगा.
हाँ,
और फिर मैं आपको
वो
बताऊंगा.
हाँ,
मैं आपको अपना परसेप्शन भी बताऊंगा. हाँ जी.
ठीक. पेज नंबर 263, not 263, sorry, 265.
एक्चुअली ये प्रिंट वालों ने भी इसको रिप्रोड्यूस किया था.
Okay.
हर्ष.
Yeah. So the question we asked her was, does the resistance to your decisions come in largely from the male-centric bureaucracy or politicians? And she said, when I was in education, the resistance came from academicians. They said, what can this woman do? I actually had one of the topmost scientists of the country say to me that, why don't you lean on my understandings better? Saurabh, at this point, we said, okay, we don't expect her to say anything beyond this. You know how politicians are, they refer to some person and never name them. And of course, in this case, we didn't expect it. We paused. Literally, we were shocked when she then said, Anil Kakodkar said this. They were enraged because they presumed that they knew everything. And how can that chit of a woman tell them that no, there's another perspective or another way of getting to a solution? And then she said one of the best lines in the interview. So it's not about men in power, it's about men with ego. Next question we asked her, we were laughing and we were like, so it must have been difficult to deal with. She said, no, ego isn't difficult to deal with. Women deal with it every day.
That's the line actually.
Yeah.
Professor.
और विकेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इस तरह से, सौरभ जी, जैसे आप और हम बात कर रहे हैं, आप मेरी टांग खींचते हैं, मैं आपकी टांग खींचता हूं, और आंखों में हंसी होती है, कुछ प्लेफुलनेस होती है. और जब आप स्मृति जी से बात करते हैं तो वो प्लेफुलनेस आती है, मतलब जब कॉन्वर्सेशन. और ये हमारी जेंडर्ड सोसाइटी, हमारी सोसाइटी इतनी जेंडर्ड है मेरे विचार से, कि जब औरतें ऐसी बात करती हैं तो लोगों, जो आदमी होते हैं ना, उनकी जो फ्रेजाइल ईगो है वो रास्ते में आ जाती है. क्योंकि हम नहीं, हमारे यहाँ कई सेक्शंस में या कई हिंदुस्तान के कई सेक्टर्स में औरतें ऐसे बात नहीं करती, ऐसे उनका बात करना पसंद नहीं किया जाता. तो इसलिए मेरे विचार से wicked sense of humor.
And you, as you mentioned earlier as well, very articulate, very to the point, very combative at times as well. जैसे you ask in spite of a spirited and good fight in Amethi, और ये इंटरव्यू 2019 के लोकसभा चुनाव के नतीजे आने से पहले हुआ था. You lost in 2014 and 2004. 4 में चांदनी चौक से और 14 में अमेठी से. And then she replies, I was not given seats to win, I was given seats to lose. That means that there was no man who had the quality to go and fight the tough fights. The way she asserts herself. Yeah, did you get the required level of support from your colleagues? So rather than replying to this question, she is saying, I was picked by the Prime Minister to do my job. If the PM thought that I needed a crutch, then I wouldn't be given the job. So very, बहुत कुर्सी भी है, लेकिन marking her point clearly.
Very self-confident.